subject to convenience of the court.
Your good name?
I'm PJ Saikia.
Heard Mr. PG Saikia through VC, who submits that he has been recently engaged as the counsel for the petitioner.
Respondent 5.
Okay, for respondent number 5, and prayed for adjournment of the matter. Okay, this is in addition to Mr. Bilal Ramena or what?
I'm the assisting counsel. Now
Okay,
I will be
okay.
the assisting counsel.
Humble prayer, my lord, in this case, if I may make, my lord.
Okay, in view of the above, Mr. Joseph Lalsan Himaranthe, learned counsel for the petitioner, is present and has not objected to the adjournment of the matter.
But my lord, if I may humbly make one prayer, my lord knows very well about this case, my lord. It's that matter where we were concerned with the age of the respondent number 5 in the NIT recruitment. Your lordship must remember the other side had prayed for time, my lord. So, my lord, in this case, my humble prayer, my lord, is because this case has been ongoing for some time, my lord. On 18, let it be fixed on 18, my lord, but no more adjournment on 18, my lord. That's my humble prayer, my lord.
Anyway, in view of the above, as prayed for, list on 18/8/2025, where an attempt will be made to hear the matter on admission hearing.
Deeply obliged, my lord.
Bless. I live bless.
May I please, your lordship, with reference to item number 10, part 2 of the hearing list, if this matter may kindly be listed again after a week.
Item number
10.
of
of
part
the-
2.
Yeah, yes, my lord.
You prayed for adjournment. Have you taken the consent of the other side?
Yes, my lord.
Mention is made on behalf of Mrs.
Mr.
H. Malswamy. Is it
No, Mr. Jordan Roming Thanga.
Mr.
Jordan Roming Thanga.
Jordan Roming Thanga, learned counsel for the petitioner, for adjournment of the matter with the consent from the other side. In view of the above, list after 2 weeks? After 2 weeks. Yes.
Obliged.
Motion, item 1.
May it please your lordship, I would like to make a mention of item number 8, part 2. If the matter may kindly be fixed for Thursday, my lord.
Have you spoken to the other side?
I have
We'll
spoke-
keep it in the list. Let's
My
see.
lord.
Motion, item 1.
Good morning, my lord.
Yes.
Morning, my lord. My lord, I'm for Power Grid Corporation. My lord, these 4 CRPs are akin to the ones which my lord is already dealing with.
Same this thing.
So, my lord, the same question of law is involved. My lord, if it's for CRP item 1, my lord, if I can take my lord to page 48.
Okay, so
be
it's
CRP
the
5,
same
my
as the previous civil ribbon petitions, is it? Page 48.
My lord, page 48, my lord.
Yes,
My lord, further, if I have my lord's attention.
yes.
Second para. Further, the Deputy Commissioner Colosip is to calculate land value upon agriculture LSC. It shall not exceed the land value fixed by Kala Colosip on dated 10/1/23 for NH 306 4-lane land compensation. And if any amount of compensation is entitled to the applicants, the Deputy Commissioner Colosip shall make the assessment and therein communicate to OP Power Grid for payment. The OP shall deposit to the Deputy Commissioner Colosip within a period of 3 months from the date of receiving the said assessment amount, which thereafter shall be disbursed to the applicants. My lord, the same question of law is involved. As per law, it is the district judge who is empowered to do the calculation in case of any reference under 16(3) of the Telegraph Act, and not the Deputy Commissioner. My lord, these particular judgments came to our notice, my lord, by virtue of Annexure 3, page 54, my lord.
Yes.
My lord, when we received this verification notice, my lord, and
What
my lord, this
verification?
particular verification notice in respect of entry number 4 was LT Vela I had brought to my lord's notice also on the previous date, and my lord was pleased to make an observation to stay it also in respect of serial number 4, pending disposal. My lord,
What about the other serials? 1, 2, 3. So you're saying in respect of serial number 4. What about the others?
my lord, My lord, for the others, we have filed the CRP. The instant CRPs have come up for the others, my lord.
Okay.
In respect of serial number 4, there is a CRP 11 of 24 already pending. My lord, and for others, we have filed because these are all originating out of independent civil cases, my lord. My lord, for CRP number 5, item number 1 is for serial number 2. CRP number 6, item number 2 is in respect of CRP number,
So item number
item number
one,
5.
wait, item number 1 is in respect of serial number 4, is it?
Serial number 2, my lord.
2. Item number
Civil
1,
application number 4 of 18.
okay, so item number 1 is in respect of serial number 2. Then item number 2 is in respect of serial number
5, my lord.
5. And item number 3 is in respect of
3.
serial number
3, my lord.
3.
3. 3. Serial 3 of this list, my lord.
Ah,
And
and then-
item number 4 is in respect of serial number 6, my lord.
6.
My lord, for serial number 1, we have applied the copies. The records were not traceable in the concerned court's registry. So once we get it, my lord, we'll be filing for that also.
Okay,
To
so
decide on the
number
question
4,
of-
it's still, it's already filed, is it?
My
So
lord, it's
item
already
number
filed.
4
It's CRP number. My
already
lord, my
filed.
learned friend there will give a copy of the order also on the previous date. It's already filed, my lord. We
Already
are
filed.
enjoying a
Okay.
stay in it.
Fine. Will issue the same notice?
My lord. My lord, the judgment be stayed and the operation of this notice be stayed, my lord. As it is happening in all the other CRPs.
Yes, heard Mr. N. Kera, learned counsel for the petitioner, who has filed the instant petition under Article 227 of the Constitution of India for stay of the impugned order dated 30.
My lord,
No,
my lord,
impugned
5/10/23.
order of the, yes, impugned order.
Judgment, my lord.
Yes, I'll just have a look.
My lord, I'll request my friend to give the first order.
Wait, impugned judgment on order of the fast track court cum additional district and session judge policy in civil application number 4 of 2018.
My lord, dated 5/10/23.
Yes, dated 05/10/2023, wherein the learned trial court had passed an order which is not as per the provisions of section 16 of the Telegraph Act, 1885. By submitting that it is not the deputy commissioner who is authorized under the said act to let me just have a look at the order. It is for the assessment of the damages, isn't it, to determine the compensation payable for damages, but
My lord, the
the
initial
district
assessment
judge-
was done and paid. Now they have come for an enhancement, my lord. So enhancement is the sole domain of the district judge, my lord.
Okay, it is not for the district judge to consider, it is not for the deputy commissioner to consider the enhancement of the compensation to be paid to the petitioners, but it is for the district judge as per the section 16 of the Telegraph Act. The learned counsel has also prayed for the stay of the judgment and the subsequent order dated. Where's the order dated? Where's
My
the
lord,
order
subsequent
that you,
verification notice dated 30th April
where is
2025.
it page?
Page 54, Annexure 3, my lord.
Yes, and the verification notice, subsequent verification notice dated 30/04/2025, passed by the district collector policy in compliance with the said impugned judgment and order. Full stop. Issue notice to the respondents through registered post with AD, returnable by 3 weeks. And with AD within 3 days, returnable by 3 weeks. Yes, Mr.
Respondent number
Samuel.
2.
Sankte accepts notice on behalf of respondent number 2. Notice be issued to the other respondents. List the matter after 3 weeks. Meanwhile, as prayed for by the learned counsel for the petitioner, this court find it appropriate to stay the operation of the impugned order dated so and so till the next date of listing. Yes. Now, in item number 2, same order.
My lord, same order, my lord. The judgment is dated 4, my lord, the dates are little different.
Okay, in item 2, the impugned judgment and order will be dated
My lord.
04/10/2023,
My lord.
isn't it? Same
My lord,
passed,
04,
then,
410. My lord, there was 510, this is 410.
and this will be civil application number
4
4
of
of
2020.
2020. Rest will be the same.
My lord.
Yes.
State is respondent number 4, my lord. Item number 2.
Okay, instead of respondent number 2, here it will be respondent number 4.
4.
Accepts notice, yes.
My lord, item 3 would be civil application number 3 of 2020, civil application number 3 of 2020.
Here it will be application number 3 of 2020. Date of the judgment is the same. And Mr. Samuel will accept notice on behalf of
Respondent number 3, my lord.
respondent number 3. Okay. Yes.
Item 4.
These matters, if the
My lord.
counter affidavit is filed within time, shouldn't be difficult to dispose them off. So make sure
My
that
lord,
you
because
file your
it is not
counter
a very
affidavit.
limited question of law.
Because
Once
it's
counter
yes, a
affidavit
question
is
of law which can be decided
Law.
in one hearing,
Yes,
isn't
ma'am.
it? Why keep them
My
pending?
lord.
Yes,
My lord.
anyways, yes. This is same order, 04/10/2023. This will be civil application number 1 of 2021. And Mr. Samuel will accept notice on behalf of
Respondent number 5.
Respondent number 5, my lord.
respondent number 5. Okay, rest will be the same. Then in the next date, you get the list of the annulus matters which are pending. Then all of them can be listed together. And
My
once
lord,
you
the
file
other
your
matters are
counter,
listed
I
on the
think we can
18th of
dispose
August.
them off by a common order,
Yes, ma'am.
isn't it? Yes.
Admission, item 6.
Highly obliged, my lord. Permitted to leave.
Yes.
Obliged, my lord.
Yes. Item number 6.
May it please your lordship, my lord. In the present writ petition, we have assailed the termination of the petitioner from the, who was working under the Chakma Autonomous Council, my lord, district council. My lord,
Yes.
we have basically challenged the termination of the petitioner on 2 grounds. Ground number 1 is that, my lord, that the Chakma Autonomous District Council rule, the rule empowers the executive committee to make appointment from time to time. Now, accordingly, the petitioner was appointed in the Chakma Autonomous Council in a non-gazetted post, which is permissible under the rule. Now, my lord, the government, by means of an office memorandum, they sought to change the rule by mandating that all such appointments should have prior approval of the governor. Now, since the appointment of the petitioner is without prior approval of the governor, therefore, it is bad. So my first ground of challenge is that a rule which emanates from 6th schedule of the Constitution cannot be tampered with or cannot be superseded by means of an administrative instruction. That's the settled position, my lord. I'll during the course of my argument, I'll demonstrate that. My second ground of challenge is that, my lord, that before terminating him, no notice whatsoever was given to the petitioner. So total violation of natural justice, and, my lord, the fact that an office memorandum is used to, my lord, to supersede the provisions of a statutory rule, whether that is permissible or not, my lord. Now, my lord, in fact, my lord, this case is a covered case which for some other similarly situated petitioners, this court have already decided the issue in another coordinate bench of this court has already decided the issue. If your lordship kindly takes up that affidavit filed by the Chakma Autonomous Council, that is respondent number 5 and 6. I'll start with that judgment of the coordinate bench court, man.
5 and 6.
5 and 6.
You know, what we can do is, today it's been listed for what?
It is listed for admission. It will take some time, my lord, because I'll be arguing at length.
So we will admit the writ petition listed for hearing, and then what is the judgment, which you say it's a covered matter?
Yes, covered matter. If your lordship kindly takes up the affidavit.
Dated?
The judgment is dated, my lord. It is.
No, the affidavit which is filed
okay.
by
Yes,
the
yes, yes.
respondent is dated?
It is, the affidavit is dated. I don't find the copy which has been served to me, the date
Okay,
is not
wait.
mentioned.
Okay, filed by whom?
Respondent number 5 and 6, that is the autonomous council.
Okay, yes, I've got it.
My lord, may kindly turn to page number 10 of this affidavit, because the Chakma Autonomous Council, they have annexed that judgment along with it. My lord, this is precisely my case. Here also, my lord, appointments were made by the Autonomous Council, and their appointment is also sought to be terminated by means of an executive instruction. The same executive instruction is used in my case also, which has been declared as ultra vires in this case. Because
So this judgment is in your favor?
absolutely,
Then why is it filed by the respondent?
the Autonomous Council is supporting me. The government is against me.
Okay.
Because I have been appointed, my appointing authority is the Autonomous Council.
Okay, so we will admit the writ petition and list it for hearing in another date. Okay, so then they can come prepared also. They have not objected to the admitting the writ petition, it appears.
Yes, Your Lordship. If the pleadings are complete and if this matter may be listed as a hearing, Your Lordship.
For hearing.
Or subject to what this honorable court, what your lordship says.
So
I
we'll
go down to what your
listen, because unless we list it for hearing, it appears that the state governments are not really prepared for the proper hearing. So we'll list it for hearing, they come prepared. Okay, but we'll admit which has not been objected also, isn't it? Anyway, heard Mr.
M. Biswas.
M. Vishwas, learned counsel for the petitioner. Also heard Ms. Louis, learned government advocate, and Ms. Valentina so-and-so, learned counsel for respondent number
5, 6, and 7.
5, 6, and 7. Having heard the submissions made by the learned counsel for both the parties, the instant writ petition is admitted. List for hearing. Give us a date if you want.
Yes, my lord, because I have to travel, my lord. Maybe the first or second.
List for hearing on,
Second would be probably, my lord, because second is a Tuesday hearing matters.
okay, on 02, 09, 20, 25. Okay, come prepared. It will be listed for hearing or a fixed
Much
date for
obliged,
hearing. Yes.
I'm deeply obliged.
Item 7.
May I please, your Lordship? Lordship, in this matter, I am issuing for the respondent number 225, Lordship, for Income Tax Department, Lordship. Lordship, kindly allow 2 weeks time to file our affidavit, Lordship.
Which one? JP More, is it? Who's speaking online?
Yes,
Okay,
Lordship.
okay, it's you, but I
JP
cannot,
More, Lordship.
I do not see your lips moving, so I thought it was someone else. Yes.
Lordship. Lordship, actually, I am appear for the respondent number 225, Income Tax Department, Lordship. Kindly allow 2 weeks time to file our affidavit. Am I audible?
Who's the counsel for the petitioner?
My lord, I am appearing for the petition, my lord. My lord, may I request my lord to extend the interim order, my lord, kindly fix the next date on 9th of September. The meanwhile, we will also file our reply to their, my lord, opposition, which they file.
Okay. Mr. V. Shah, learned counsel for the petitioner, is present through VC, along with Mr. JP
JP
More,
More.
learned counsel for respondents number
225.
2 to 5. The learned counsel for respondents number 2 to 5 has prayed for further time to file their counter affidavit. Yes,
Lordship, I am appearing on behalf of respondent number 6, the Finance Department, and I have been instructed that we will not be filing any affidavit in opposition.
Ms. Caroline K. Laluwang.
My lord, respondent number 1. I'm still awaited for comment from the concerned department. Maybe given some more time.
Okay, so we'll say that so and so has prayed for further time to file their counter affidavit. Okay, Ms. Zainab Sanghui, learned CGC for respondent number 1 has also prayed for further time to file her counter affidavit. Stop. Then Mrs. Caroline K. Laluwang, learned government advocate, submits that the state respondents will not be filing any counter affidavit in the instant case. In view of the above, list the matter on 9th, is it?
My lord,
9th.
8th of September.
Okay, on 8/09/2025, for the learned counsels to file their counter affidavits, and if the counter affidavits are filed before the fixed date, the learned counsel for the petitioner may file his rejoinder affidavit to the counter affidavits so filed, if so advised. Yes.
Well, kindly extend the interim order till the next date. my lord. There is an
Meanwhile, interim order passed earlier shall continue till the next date of listing. Yes.
My lord, I just want to point out that my lord, the effective respondent is number 225. So, my lord, my learned friend for the Union of India, my lord, respondent number 1, they may adopt the, my lord,
So
the
let them file their counter affidavit. Then accordingly, if they want to adopt, they'll adopt. Leave it to the councils to decide that, isn't it?
I'm just requesting my learned friend only. I'm
Yes, okay. Fine.
Item 8.
Obliged, Lordship, obliged.
Yes.
May I please, my lord? My lord, as per the last order, I was instructed to know the correct address of the sole respondent. However, we could not know the whereabouts
for
of
the
the
time?
respondent. My lord, if newspaper publication can be done.
Where is he? What is the address?
The last address we know is Kamala Nagar, Zongde, Longtai district. That is the last address we know, ma'am.
You're the appellant.
Yes, my lord.
You're also a private party.
Yes, ma'am.
against another private party. What is the case about?
The case about is that the respondent and the appellant had come into an agreement for a loan of rupees 7 lakhs. And however, with a period of 12 months, that is to be, that is the agreement. However, the
Money debt,
District
okay.
Council Court CADC had interfered and passed a judgment stating that the appellant is to pay an amount of 10 lakhs 50,000 that, to the sole respondent.
By way of newspaper publication, but make sure that the local newspaper
Yes, my lord.
in that area
Yes, my lord.
is also, it's in the local newspaper. Okay,
Yes, my lord.
simply newspaper publication in Wanglaini or one of the newspapers here, it will not suffice.
Yes, my lord.
Yes. Heard Ms.
Ropari.
Lalropari, learned counsel for the appellant, who submits that though they were given time to ascertain the correct address of the sole respondents, they have failed to do so. So she prayed that they are not able to locate the correct address, and therefore notice may be allowed to be served to the sole respondent through newspaper publication. Accordingly, the appellant is allowed to serve notice upon the sole respondent through newspaper publication. The notice through newspaper publication is to be done in 2 local newspapers widely distributed within the area where the respondent is said to reside. List the matter on, yes, a date is required to be fixed. 17th September
Yes, my lord.
or 17th 09/2025. Yes.
Obliged.
Item number 9.
May I please, Lordship? Well, this is the first appeal. It is within time. The impugned judgment and order passed by the learned commissioner is contrary to the evidences available on record. My lord, the facts is, in brief, is the appellant, who was engaged as MR employee since 1993, met with an electrical accident while he was repairing the 33 kV lines. He was electrocuted and fell down from the electric post. As a result, he lost his left eyesight completely, and he has a little vision on the right side also. Apart from that, he was suffering from nerve problem, and he was unable to. After the accident, he has not been able to perform his duty as a employee. So he filed the present application for compensation. However, the learned commissioner declined refused, my lord. Apart from
Dismissed the application.
dismissed the application, however, he was granted about 50,000 something for expenditures incurred for payment of medicines and all on the basis of the class memo and all, my lord.
Will issue notice.
My lord.
Heard Mr. L.H. Yanshima, learned senior counsel for the appellant, assisted by Ms. Rutlal Watfedi, learned counsel. Full stop. This is an appeal under Section 30 of the Employees Compensation Act, 1923, against the judgment and order dated 02/06/2025 passed by the Commissioner, comma, Employees Compensation, comma, Aizol in EC case number 10 of 2024. Full stop. The learned senior counsel submits that the learned Commissioner Employees Compensation had erred in granting compensation only for the medical bills incurred by the petitioner, whereas incurred by the appellant, okay, whereas the appellant had suffered 60% permanent disability due to the electrical accident during the course of his employment. Stop. Issue notice, Nepara, issue notice to the respondents. Ms. Lalnunpuri accepts notice on behalf of the respondents. Any private respondent? No.
No, my lord.
No need to issue a formal notice. Copy of the appeal to be duly furnished to the learned government advocate. List after 3 weeks.
Much obliged.
Oh, bless.
Item 10.
Yes. Miss, yes. Item number 10. Miss Valentina Laldinpur, learned counsel for the petitioner is present. Full stop. Then who else?
I'm appearing on behalf of respondent number 7 and 8, MFA.
Okay, Mr.
Zodin
Zodin Puyanamte appears on behalf of respondent number 7 and 8,
Yes, ma'am.
comma.
Respondents 7 and 8, Your Lordship.
Oh, you also with Dinpui. Then you don't have, both of you don't have to stand. One sit down. Then, anyone else appearing? And submits that he may be given time to file the counter affidavit. Is it? Or have you filed?
Not yet, my lord.
File the
My
counter
lord, the
affidavit.
similar nature was already disposed with regarding this case. It was passed by this honorable court in 19/6/2025 because similar case which was involved corruption, and the appeal provision is still available. So for appeal, the petitioner must submit their appeal fees and all for considering their appeal.
Good one. A similar case has been disposed of, is
Yes,
it?
my lord.
Where? In?
It was on 19/6/2025, similar nature.
Anyway, the learned counsel for the petitioner submits that,
But no. Respondents.
Respondent, ma'am.
oh, okay, respondent submits that a similar matter was disposed of by this court by order dated 19/06/2025 in WPC 58/2025, and that this being a covered case, the instant writ petition may be disposed of.
My lord, if I may make one submission, the matter is not completely similar, my lord, because the fact is that I have also annexed in my annexure in my writ petition.
Okay, the learned counsel for the petitioner submits that the cited case and the instant case are different and therefore not a covered matter. In view of the above, are you going to file the learned counsels for the petitioner are to file the counter affidavit list after 3 weeks.
My lord, there's also an IA for injunction, my lord.
You see, you were simply saying it's a covered matter, we'll have to see.
Yes,
That
my
thing
lord.
is not covered. So you file in your form of your counter affidavit, file your counter, have you filed?
Not yet, my lord.
Then we'll see
It's the
then.
first time for us.
Then file your counter affidavit, make mention all that, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Now the injunction, what is this? Injunction?
Yes, my
Notice
lord.
not served?
Not yet, my lord.
Oh, okay. Heard Ms. Valentina, okay, so-and-so, learned counsel for the applicant who has filed the instant application under Order 39, Rule 1 and 2, read with Section 151 CPC for suspension of the operation of the letter number MFA within brackets DCOM close bracket slash 2024-25 slash 66 dated 04/11/2024. Comma, then letter dated, now all these numbers, it's in page 1, okay, of the application.
My lord, if I
I'm
may,
marking it, this is in page 1. Okay, lots of numbers, so therefore, you just copy this, yes.
my lord, if I may make one submission, during the pendency of the writ petition, my lord, there was a new development wherein the date of the MPL season 12 was postponed to 21st of August, my lord, during the pendency of the IA. So in my first IA, there was the initial date was 17/7/2025. Now the respondents have now postponed the date to 21 August 2025. If I may be allowed to,
Okay, the learned counsel,
May I please, Your Lordship, I strongly object for granting that interim relief as
wait,
if-
you file your written objection. The learned counsel for the applicant has also prayed that she may be allowed to file an additional affidavit to the affidavit filed in the IA. Praise allowed, list in the, what, next week?
next week, my lord.
You see, you get a copy first and then you file your written objection, isn't it?
Much obliged.
Much obliged.
Item 11, orders.
Yes.
May it please your lordship. My lord, this IA is filed under section 5 of the Limitation Act, wherein I have sought a condonation of delay of 23 days in filing the connected RFA, which is passed by the learned civil judge, Chief District, Senior
Okay,
Division.
we'll issue notice.
My lord.
Yes, heard Mr.
Eldrin Zothan Moya.
Eldrin Zothan Moya, learned counsel for the applicant who has filed the instant application under section 5 of the Limitation Act for the condonation of 23 days in preferring an appeal against the impugned judgment and decree dated 04/04/2025 passed by the learned civil judge within brackets Senior Division, Chief District in title suit number 1 of 2029. Full stop.
2019, my lord.
2019, yes. Title suit number 1 of 2019. Yes. Issue notice to the respondents through registered posts with AD within 3 days, returnable by 3 weeks.
My lord,
List after 3 weeks. Yes.
respondents number 2 to 8 are all the state respondents. So perhaps if my learned
Louis, are you going to accept notice? Okay.
my lord, we
You
will serve,
receive
my
a
lord.
copy then, Ms. Louis, learned government advocate, accepts notice on behalf of the state respondents. No need to issue formal notice to the state respondents. Copy of the IA to be duly furnished to the learned government advocate. Yes.
Deeply obliged.
Part 2, item 2.
May it please your lordship. My lord, this matter has been pending for hearing for quite some time. Today, I hope Miss
Who's the
Mary,
additional PP?
Miss Mary is coming up.
She's coming?
Informed her. So, may I be allowed to start my part of this?
Yes, Miss Mary, is she coming? Or what? Find out. She's
She's on
coming?
the- She's on the,
in the other courtroom, so
Oh,
I may be allowed to.
so she's coming.
she's coming.
Okay, then we can look at the facts at least, isn't it? She must be there, yes.
I have been convicted under section 6 of the POCSO Act. I've been accused of raping my stepdaughter. And I've been sentenced to rigorous imprisonment for 10 years. Along with a fine of rupees 2,000. In lieu of which another simple imprisonment for another 6 months. And the judgment and order is dated 25/3/2019. The concerned judgment, your lordship, is that
So Anyway, this matter has been listed for this whole week.
Yes, my lord.
Today is Monday. So let's see whether the matter comes up, the councils are present any day during this week.
Yes, my lord.
Or you just saying, contact the councils for the appellant also,
Yes, my
that you
lord.
can both be present anytime during this week. You can hear the matter, isn't it?
Will do, my lord.
Yes. Any other hearing matter? Not.